Oh, what up? What up? What up? What up? Just catching the end of the day. Waiting for some people to come on the stream. See what we got going on here. Oh, kind of broke the trend line. Bum, 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 bum. Back over the 34. Oh, man. Oh, today has not been today has not been the best of days. When we caught the bottom and we caught the top of some massive moves and just didn't hold. Just didn't hold. That's the theme of today. Today could have been a massive, massive day. Oh. Passed an eval today. Got a couple funded accounts up. The problem is the ones I lost in got hit hard, and the ones I earned in, they did okay. I might take this right here. Come on. This account took a shellac-a-lacking. I have some that are up a little bit, The problem is I'm flipping through all these freaking accounts, and it's becoming hard to go back and forth. As you watch me, you could kind of see. I'm flipping back and forth through all these accounts. I need to set up my copy trader. I have my laptop up here, right here, so I can trade Rhythmic with Apex, and then I have my main computer. I got a couple accounts that are that are looking good, getting close to payouts. Oh. Here's an eval that I was hoping to push over. I pushed this one over. Was it this one? No. This one over. I would have pushed this one. You could see I bought all of this. I would have been able to just push it over right there. What's up, new people? I see you out there. Just write in the chat, introduce yourself. We're passing accounts here. We're trading funded accounts. Just waiting to get into a decent setup here. You guys are making money today. Today has been a decent day over here. Down in some accounts, passed an eval earlier. You know, I got some funded accounts that are close to getting payouts that I'm up on today, which is always nice. I have 3 accounts that are close to payouts, and they're all up today. So I just kind of been working on that. I took a break today to watch that Roaring Kitty live stream. Anybody watch that? That was weird. That was super weird. Yeah. It's crazy. Crazy how much money he put into it. But what's also crazy is just watching him versus you know, everything else. Kind of want to see a good size move here. I'm in long right now in an eval account. I would like to see it somewhere around here, 46 is what I'm kind of looking for. What's up? Introduce yourself. We're just hanging out. I just popped on like a couple minutes ago, and I watched the Roaring Kitty stuff earlier. I don't know if you guys watched that. And then made a couple trades, as you could see in this one account. I got it for the stream. We passed one earlier. I figure I'll pass this one now, trading some funded accounts on some better type setups. This isn't really a setup. I don't know. You guys are probably new to the channel. Basically play a lot of pivot points. As you can see, we rejected here today. We shorted this at the very top, which was an awesome move. And then, yeah, I played it at the bottom. We had some good moves on the stream earlier today. I just couldn't put together the massive gain. That's like a triple top here. Let's go to the 5. See what we got. I think we're gonna hit. It's somewhere around here. I mean, listen, I'm not trading my funded account in this trade because it's not a high percentage trade. So I don't like that it's under the 34 currently, and it's kind of giving up this, kind of giving it up. Bitcoin got slaughtered. Wow. Bitcoin was up 0.5%. It lost 2% since earlier today. I might take a. I'm just looking for a scalp right now. Scalp off the 34. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Jeez. All right. We're going down. Am I going to get filled? Are they going to fill me? I took the liberty in just going in. What just happened? Is there news out? Is there news? We're approaching VWAP. That's a dump. That's a dump. Holy shnikes. What just happened? I didn't get filled at VWAP. They just didn't come down and fill me. That's awesome. I missed it by a couple ticks. I feel like it's going to push back down, personally. Came down and hit that pivot point. Jeez, I can't believe I went at VWAP. I missed it by literally 2 points. That's freaking crazy. That's so ridiculous. Come on. I'm riding this account. So whatever happens, happens. It's almost smoked. Come on. Give us the VWAP bounce. Come on. I want to see it bounce to like 91. 91 would be nice. Man, they're just, it's so heavy, this market. It's crazy. We're through it. We're through everything. This is not. Oh, this. That's not what I wanted to see today. Nah, they're just pushing it down. I think it's just going to be one of these waterfall things. It's going to come like all the way down here, some crazy sell-off. I just figured that we were going to catch the bounce here at the pivot point in VWAP. Kind of made sense, but we kind of blew right past it. I mean, if we could flip this candle green and push back up to like 80, 81, that would be massive. I don't know what caused this sell-off. I don't know if there was news. There's nothing on the economic calendar for today. Oh. Jeez, come on. I'm going to get stopped out. I just know it. It's that type of day for me. There we go. Getting stopped out. I got stopped out at the very, very bottom. Let's see if that holds. Probably not. Look, just sold me out. Piece of shit. What is this? 12? 18 to 12? We bounced last time. I don't know if they're going to bounce it here. I'm not trading this account. I'm not trading that account either. I traded some of these shit accounts that are destroyed. Yeah, I have a bunch of accounts, as you can see. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, Kim, today's been rough. Today was rough for me. Super rough. I Every time I've gotten in a trade today, I've either taken small profits or it's gone against me. I have not had good success today at all. Um, you know what's crazy is I've played. I don't even know what happened. I mean, it's just I have a couple accounts up. You know, I definitely have a couple of accounts that are up. I'm just kind of nothing. We haven't gotten 200 bounces. The VWAP has been sliced through plenty of times. Just not. That had to be like news related or something. It all started this morning when I got freaking destroyed pre-market. I got destroyed pre-market because I had orders in that I didn't know about, and that's kind of the beginning of my day. And then, like I said, the accounts that I have up, the accounts I've had that are good are up today, which is pretty much, I guess, all that matters at the end of it. Come on, just come down and film me. You know, the ones that are are like within less than $1,000 from a payout. Those are all doing well. It's all these other ones that were like down or whatever that kind of got washed out today. I see there's other people on. Introduce yourself. You guys trading? Who's on watching? We're doing giveaway on Tuesday. We're going to give accounts away on Tuesday live on the stream. If you're watching, come Tuesday, we're probably going to do it around the 2 o'clock stream. Probably it's probably the best one to do it at. That was nice. That was a good scalp in my funded account. Oh, this is going to get stopped out because of the threshold. Look at that. And watch, we're going to bounce. They're going to hold 19,000 or what? 19,000? Rug pull isn't even the word. Come on, beam me up, Scotty. Jeez. There we go. There we effing go. Holy sh. Holy. I just got one over payout. One of my accounts just got to $52,862. I want to see if I can get this one over. I grabbed this. This is an eval. I literally just grabbed and went all in at the bottom just for the stream. This is a stream degen complete, you know, complete degen play for the stream, so you guys can just watch it. I don't ever do this with funded accounts. 9 people on. This is a record. 9 people on. If you're on here, introduce yourself. Let me know how your day is going. Got to be doing. My day has not been great until that last. This green candle literally made my day in multiple accounts. If we can flip this green and pass this, that'd be pretty cool. Yeah, today has been kind of not great. My accounts that are good, I earned money in them. And my crap accounts, like I have some accounts, man, you guys probably have the same thing. You get an account and it's literally down from day one. Like day one, it goes against you. It goes against you day 2. It goes against you day 3. And you're like, man, this account is just cursed. Like there's nothing I could do with this account. This one's going to be smoked. Smoked. That's just an eval. Not worried. Oh, I am in this one. I didn't even know I was in this one. Well, I'm going to take some money here because honestly, I think if we can get over the 9 here, I bet this is a monster rip. See, this is when you can go all like, I don't want to give anybody advice, but I've gone all in on like big accounts, like the 250s, and this is how I get them over. Sometimes in one trade. What do you think? I fire up another eval here? I had to take that. Count was down a bunch today. might end up, I'm going to regret that. Did that just effing happen to me? I literally just put the stop right here and it just came right down. Oh, yeah, you got a full port when there's a low drawdown. When there's nothing left, I'm pretty much all in. You know, then I have accounts like this. Like this one's up $640 today. You know, like all right, let's trade this one. This one's up 140 today, but it's a small account. This is what I thought would just happen before. I bet you this thing comes all the way back up to VWAP. How's that sound? I can't believe we were in. I freaking so many missed opportunities today, and they're all on the stream. You can just watch me just miss them. We were just literally, you saw me click the button right here, get stopped out, and now we're ripping. So, I mean, you have to know that we're at 19,000. You gotta go for a shot right there and purchase. You gotta purchase contracts there for a reversal, especially if we just went this whole way down. We just dropped 150 points. You gotta, if you're gonna take a shot at a reversal, it's gonna be at 19,000. Welcome, new people on the stream. Welcome. I see you guys are on. Feel free to type in the chat. I'll answer any questions you may have. Oh, I got to get that copy trader, Kim, because I'm flipping back and forth through all these accounts. Man, that was a great purchase down there. I just want to make sure I'm not in anything right now. I'm always worried that I am in positions now ever since I've lost accounts recently. So I lost my 250K account today, Kim. Pre-market, I didn't know I had orders in. I left for about a half hour in the morning. I must have not canceled them out after I was trading, and I lost them all. Lost all the accounts. Freaking not all the accounts. My 250 account just smoked it. Feels like we're gonna hold this 9 and wrap back up. Let's see what happens. If this red line moves up and kind of gives us a buy signal, I'll Which one is it? Is it this one? No, I don't want to trade that one. I definitely don't want to trade that one. Which one? Which one is it? Jeez. All right, here we go. I catch him, Kim. I end up selling out. That's my problem. Is I end up selling out too early. But we're up. This is kind of flagging right here. Now I think we're going to move up to like the 34. Come on. Just give it to me. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to take small gains on this. I don't trust this at all. I don't trust that at all. That's why I took small gains. I'll be honest with you. If you're scalping for like $50 here and there, you only need a couple trades a day. I mean, if you did $192 in each account for the day, you should be pretty good. I mean, don't need a lot. Don't need a lot at all. What are we looking at? Around 60? What do you think, a VWAP rejection? This is definitely flagging. This is looking good. I hope you followed what I did, because here we go. There we go. My take profit was right around here anyways, because it's kind of like the high, but you break that high, you're probably going to go to 52 at least. I don't trust it though. Market seems real heavy today. We moved up like 2%. What was that? 2 days ago? I think it's just kind of resting. There we go. Anybody that followed me, you got to be up at this point. I mean, you're up. I mean, I would be, my target has been hit, and my next target was the 34. VWAP's not too far above it, so I don't really know. I might let's see what happens. Let's see what happens right here. If we get I just remembered I can't even request a payout till next Friday. Let me go to that account real quick. I'm at $52,862. I'm just looking to see what I can do. So my Rhythmic Trader Pro had a glitch this morning, and I have a funded account that I can't sell the contract out of. I have no idea what's going to happen. I have no idea what's going to happen here. Oh, did they miss? Look, they missed filling me by what is that? Oh, fuck! Come on! Oh no! That's my day in a nutshell right there. I'll be honest with you, I only play the first touch. So it got close enough, rejected. If it comes back up, I don't play it. Shit. That was not cool. Apex, the deal ends tomorrow, by the way, for you to have any the cheapo accounts. Just letting you guys know that are on the stream. You know, if you're yo, welcome new people to the stream. What's going on? I just got an account over today, and we got one in payments. I can request a payment on one of my accounts now. But Apex, the deal runs out tomorrow, I believe. So if you want, they say 90% off, but like it's been 80% off forever, but it's like half price right now. I would say that that's a solid deal. And if you don't like Apex, Bullnox is doing a crazy deal right now. Actually, I'll tell you how much it is. I have a Bullnox account, by the way. I'm almost a payout on my Bullnox account. Let me go to account setup. I'll tell you how much a Bullnox 50K account is. So 50K is, let's see, $17.50 for a 50K Bullnox account. Instead of the 30% consistency rule that Apex has, Bullnox has a 40% rule. So you can make more in a day and not get penalized. The only issue is they don't have Tradeovate, so you got to use Rhythmic Trader Pro. So that is an issue, probably. Are they going to drop this? Man, this chart would look so good if it just rolled over. I got one for the stream. See, what I don't like is it's consolidating right under here. I feel like it's consolidating for a leg up. If it breaks under this candle, it's done. But that's where I'm at. I think if it breaks, we could see no. No. Welcome to my day, everybody. This is how my day is going. I'm glad that you showed up to watch this craziness on me just getting absolutely wrecked every single way today. Yeah, just Tuesday's the last day of sale. Oh, you don't need Kim. So if you want, I can show you how to do Rhythmic Trader Pro. Do you have a Mac or do you have a Mac or you have a like a Microsoft? I guess a regular PC. That's how my day is going, right? I get stopped out at the bottom and it bounces all the way back up. So Tradeovate, Tradeovate has my real personal information on the freaking thing. I'm just trying to think how I can. What's weird is my Apex one does not, but my Bullnox one does. I don't know what the deal is. Are you effing kidding me? I got stopped out at the bottom. That's the bottom. The bottom. I got bottom ticked on that. Yeah, so if you have a PC, you can do Rhythmic Trader Pro. You just download Rhythmic Trader Pro, you install it on your computer, and also the accounts for Rhythmic Trader Pro are cheaper than Tradeovate. And also when you pass, the funded accounts per month are only $85 compared to $105. So you actually save money on funded accounts and you save money on normal accounts. And then you're going to ask me, well, why don't I use Tradeovate for them all? Is because I kind of like, why I don't use Rhythmic Trader. I like trading on Tradeovate better. I like Top Step the best, to be completely honest. If any of you guys on here are trading with Top Step currently, this thing's going to go down. We can't get over this. I'm willing to risk this freaking account. Whatever happens, happens here. I'm not even going to look. I'm not going to look. Actually, I know what's going to happen. I can tell you how my day is going, so I can tell you exactly how it's going to go. That's how it's going to go. We rejected 18 times, but we're going to go through it right now. Holy shnikes. Let me try to get this account up. So anyways, yeah, so your accounts are cheaper with Rhythmic Trader Pro. Just throwing it out there. You know, you only save $2. Right now, it's only $2 cheaper. But funded accounts are a lot cheaper. Funded accounts are, like I said, it's $20 less a month for a funded account. Oh, this is kind of flaggy. Kind of flaggy. I know. I got caught in the Rhythmic Trader problem today. Tell me about it. I got caught today. I have a funded account that I can't sell out of my position right now. And it was weird. I had like I had positions in, and then the news came out, and like some, you know, obviously we went up, we went down, and then I don't know, all of a sudden my position was stuck. I don't know why. I don't know how, but this thing's gonna go. I'm selling out of this. This account smoked, smoked, smoked. All right, got my buffer back up. Jeez, Vincent, what's going on? Do I happen to know of any secret holy grail system that I can trade and make a lot of money? And don't tell me it's that ITC garbage. No, it's not ITC. Man, I'm gonna show you an example of how many systems I've looked at. Here's my TradingView account, right? So here's all my indicators, and you can see everybody's quote unquote system I've applied. This guy Ashford is a trader. All these other systems. I have the Strat system on here. Minervini's thing. Minervini's actually legit. I've tried Lux Algo. Here's the Strat. Strat again. TKP, whoever that is. These are all trend trader strategy. TW is another guy, and his strategy, scalper indicators. Man, I have used more stuff and test. So not only, yo, what up, Chris? What up? Yo, I'll go over my day in 2 seconds. I'm having a crazy type of day. So I back tested, forward tested, played with all the indicators. What I found works best out of everything. So I'm going to take a bunch of things off this chart so you can kind of see everything for what it is. Pivot points are my #1 indicator. You can kind of see the price action around indicators are typically trend changes, you know, support, resistance, but around these pivot points. And that's typically how I play. That's where I make the majority of my moves. And then I add secondary indicators, such as I have the 0 lag MACD, which is down here. I implement VWAP. I have the orb, which is mainly for the Qs. My EMAs. My EMAs are not these. It's actually 8, 34, 200, and 377. And I just have this on for kind of like a trend. And then this is just to kind of show me without me having to constantly look. I could just see the resistance, which is really, you know, the tops and the bottoms without looking to the left of the chart. And that's pretty much it. You know, I take a peek at the stochastics right here, just on the 1 minute. But I don't like follow them. Just kind of gives me a general idea. And that's kind of what I look at. Chris, dude, I left orders in on my 250K funded account this morning without knowing that they were in there, and I smoked it. That's how my day started. My day started with my 250 account getting smoked. And then I proceeded to get smoked. I think I smoked 4 funded accounts today. I'm not even lying. I think I smoked 4 funded accounts today. Yeah. And the craziest part is on the stream earlier today, I literally I shorted the top here and I was full blown long here, which you thought would have netted me a ton of money up and a ton of money down. And even with that, man, I took a beaten. Market took out that belt and was like, whoosh. But I will say, so what I did was the only accounts I lost were ones that weren't even close to payouts. And I got an account over the payout threshold today. This one just keeps marching up. This one keeps marching up. Yeah, smoke them. This one I got 640 in. I got some funded accounts on my Rhythmic on my laptop. One funded account's up 550 and another one's up 655, and that's the one that went over the payment threshold. I did a whole video on leaving orders in. It literally, the video is called I Did This So You Didn't Have To. And I explain how bad it is to leave orders in. It was the stupidest thing. And it just set the tone for the day. Like, when you blow an account because you left an order in early in the day, it just kind of set the tone for me to be like, nah, today's shitty. I got an account over today, which is, I guess, a plus. Really, I'll be honest with you, I feel like I have too many accounts, and if you watch my stream, you constantly see me flipping back and forth, and I just kind of feel like I'm doing too much stuff, and I feel like I need to start copy trading, or I need to figure out something that's a little bit better, so I'm not all over the place. Hold on 1 second. I just have to give somebody this key. I'm back. Whew. I'm in MU long at 910. Dude, you still holding? Are you still in that? I'm kind of jealous. Jeez. How many do you have? 5? I assume 5. It's a nice move. Where are you looking to sell? I'm not carrying. I'll just tell you guys on the stream, I'm not carrying this into tomorrow. So we're about to go all in DJing style somewhere. Trying to figure out if I want to go long or short. Like, we're going to bounce off the 34 here. We in. We in. That I can tell you. Yeah, I would. I would take it light and just kind of test out the strategy, man. By the way, if Vincent's still here, man, there's no like ultimate holy grail, you're right every single time strategy. Um, basically you put the odds in your favor. You learn how to take small losses and extend gains, and that's all you could do. That's pretty much it. I completely effing mushed that for you. Fuck, man. Chris, I mushed that for you, man. Completely mushed it. I was actually thinking about going short though, because we were approaching the 200. Yeah, Vincent, to be honest with you, man, I would watch a lot of YouTube videos. You can watch some of mine. You can search on YouTube for other people. There's some really good traders on here that use their own methods, and you just kind of find what works for you. And that's pretty much what I would say. But I would say I wouldn't try to copy other people's trades. So, like, if you see me get in something or somebody else, you shouldn't necessarily go in and buy it. You should learn how to build your own strategy using ideas from all different people and kind of build your own system, but built off, the foundation that other people use, kind of. I guess it's like building a house. Everybody's gonna, use the similar foundation, and then it's gonna look different at the end. Man, that's nice that you got 50 points off that. I was gonna short this, but I didn't want to go against you, and I completely effed myself. Ah, man, today can go so bad. Let's see. If I can turn this account around by the end of the day, it'll make me feel better. Yeah, and I'll be honest with you, Vincent, it's all free knowledge. Malaysian SNR? I see it's on TradingView. Let's see what we're looking at. So it's locked. I don't know what the point. I gotta read when I'm off the stream here. Did we just come all the way back from that? I got completely stopped out. Dude, 100 points in a day is a lot of points. Like if you were playing one contract, one mini, that's $2,000. If you were playing 5 micros, that's $1,000. That's solid money. That's solid. I wish, man. I don't know how many. I definitely. So that's what I like about using trade. Rhythmic Trader Pro will tell you how many points you got in a day on each account. It's pretty cool. But yeah. Oh, that always happens to me. If I try something and I only go in super small and it goes great, and I'm like, oh, and then I'll go in large the next time and I'll get freaking destroyed. I am. I want to pass one more eval today to make up for some of these accounts I lost, only because this deal is over tomorrow. Wow, Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Holy shit. Bro, Bitcoin. Bitcoin got destroyed. Kind of like this setup that's coming. You know, we sold and they bought it right back up. I have a secret to making the market go down. I could just hit this button right here. I just buy a contract and the market will go down. I won't respect myself if I don't scalp it here. Push it. Give me some points. Give me some points. Bro, this is an all day fucking fuck fest. Holy. I don't even remember the last time I've had such an awful day. I was literally made unreal gains for weeks. And I don't know what happened today. Today is one of those days I will remember for a very long time. And I'm just trying to keep to not go on tilt and smoke accounts and kind of just, you know, the worst thing you can do right now is instead of playing one contract, you play 2 or 3 and just destroy accounts. You know, so that's why I'm trying to keep my cool, play one account. It feels like it wants to sell off here end of day. This has a sell-off feel to it. I'm putting my stop all the way up here. I'm not getting stopped out of this. Kind of looks like a lower low. I also feel what will keep me from doing stupid stuff is bigger stops, and I just kind of sit in it. Oh yeah. Bring me down to the promised land, baby. This is what's keeping my sanity on my other screen. But now the trailing drawdown comes into play. Do I take my money here and have a shit drawdown? Or do I just let it ride and hopefully we go down to like 20 and I get the account over? Oh, it's so easy to go on tilt. Dude, tilt? I go on it so hard sometimes. It's let it go, like Frozen. Let it go. I'll let it go. For the stream, I'll let it go. We'll see what happens. I won't touch it. I'm probably going to lose because that's how my day is going, but let's see what happens. Might as well, right? Do it for the stream. Come on. Fucking just drop, man. Also, getting that 350 in that funded account gave me I felt a little bit better about myself. Right? Was that 350 I just got in that thing? Oh no. Vincent, we out. We out. We out, Vincent. Oh, man. I should have taken the gains. I will say though, I got money back in that funded account, like 300 and something bucks. So you know what? I'd rather just play around and do shit like that and start smoking funded accounts. So, you know, it's interesting that they dropped it and brought it right back up also. It's making a lower high. Man, I caught the bottom in that. What is that? 45. Yeah, you do something else? I do that. I got other stuff to do during the day. Look at that. I caught that in my funded account for 335. That was the move. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We haven't been able to break over here in a little bit. I mean, I got stuff that I do and whatnot to take my mind off this shit, but I feel like we're going to be going down here at the end of the day. If we pop back up, I'm going to take a short. Actually, I might just take it now. Boom, $100 back. Funded account. Funded account. Whew, working this back up. Working out of this deficit right here. You know. My biggest worry about this setup currently is that they're not really selling it off. You're kind of getting the push downs, but they're not that big, and then they're going to buy it back up. You know, like here's a 5-minute candle. You can see like they wicked it and they brought it back up. And if they take this back up, that'll be a nice hammer. And then, you know, it's not really bearish. You're not really like, this is what you want to see. Like right here, you want to see continuation, you know, continuation. What you don't want to see is something like this where it goes down and then they buy it right back up. Vincent, you short, man? Are you short right now? If you're short, you should be up pretty good. Oh, man. Nice, man. Congrats, because just move your stops down just so you don't, you know, you want to lock in profit at some level. You don't want to give it all up like I did in that eval. Because you're working with a drawdown. That's the biggest problem is like, you know, if you look at that trade for argument's sake, like I'm only down 386, but the account smoked because I was up 2,200. Yeah, man. Channel's growing. You know, by the way, Vincent and Chris, on Tuesday, I'm doing an account giveaway on the stream around the 2 o'clock stream. It seems like the afternoon stream, there's more people around. So I'm going to do a account giveaway, and it's going to be fun. We're going to do like, you ever go to a Major League Baseball game and they do like the races on the billboards and stuff like that? That's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to get whoever's in here, put their names on the in the race thing, and yeah, we'll watch it live on the screen, and that's how we'll determine who gets a free account and whatnot. I'll give away what do you call it, 50K eval on Tuesday. Depending on what's going on, maybe more than one. We'll see. But we'll have some fun. But yeah, Tuesday, 2 o'clock. I'm gonna set up something over the weekend, like that you can do like the scheduler, that so you can like be notified of it, just so nobody misses out and everybody can see it. Yeah, I think it'll be pretty funny. I think everybody have a good time. Um, yeah. So I just been telling everybody that comes on Tuesday afternoon is the one you don't want to miss out on. Yes. Oh, hey, what's up, Kim? I thought you left. Yeah, I guess. So it's 2 p.m. Eastern time. Basically, I'll start the stream and I will get it going, and then let people come on. I might even start it a little earlier than 2 o'clock, and yeah, and then I'll. So yeah, I might start at like 1:30 or whatever to give people time to get on the stream, and then once people get on, I will. You know, I just ask that whoever is submitted in there subscribes to the channel and likes the video, and then outside of that, you know, that's it. And if you get it over, let me know because that'd be so cool. What's the best strategy? Well, there's not many people in this one, so it's random. Um, let me see if I can find one like uh, let's see. Let's see if I can find one that's like I haven't looked yet. So this is like a first one I'm looking, and the ones I'm looking at aren't races. It's like a random egg, or a scratch. I might do the reverse, which would even if I can't find a good race, I might do a reverse that basically picks out a name out of the box, and if your name is picked out, you're out, and it'll be the last person that's left in the box wins. Kind of like a reverse strategy. Um, we do that at family get-togethers. Actually, we do. Everyone throws in like $10, and as you pick out of the hat, your name comes out, you lose, and it just goes down the line. So here's one. I'm going to find a better one, to be honest with you. I guess you could do it with emojis. I'm sure I can find one that has horses on it. Oh man, this thing just dumped. Yeah, so I'm gonna do something. I want it to be funny. I've seen some really funny ones. I'm curious if we bounce here, by the way. I'm grabbing some in an eval, and then this is my funded account. No. Oh, why do I get confused here? Dude, that was a nice reverse. If you held the whole time, that was pretty nice. I mean, the obvious spot to cover is, you got close to 19,000. I was looking at races. Oh, they got some cool ones here. Let's see what this one is. Let's see if I do. Oh, this one's not good. Oh, they got a duck racer. Man, I'm gonna be up like for hours looking at funny races to try to get something good for you guys. Hold on one second. I just don't even know who this is. All right. It's actually going to get crazy here. I got to jump off. I got to run and bring my kids to a bunch of places. They got sports in a little bit. I will be back tomorrow, 9:15 in the morning, guys. I appreciate everybody coming on today. Don't forget Tuesday. Um, Sorry for cutting it short today. It's only today because I got to go to sports. So it's probably good for my accounts too. So, all right. Thanks. I appreciate everybody. I'll be on tomorrow, 9:15 Eastern time. All right. Best of luck for the rest of the day, guys. Take it easy.